Hello folks, today we're going to replace the door handle on a tailgate on a 2001 Ranger, and we already replaced it, but I'm going to show you guys the procedures. And all you're going to need is a T30 hex socket or wrench to take the cover bolts on the inside of the tailgate, half inch or a 10 millimeter, depends on the size of the nut that they have installed on the tailgate. And I should just all that, it shouldn't be any more needed, so we'll show you the procedures, and hope you enjoy this video. So once we have exposed the latch through the front or the inside of the tailgate, now we have to go inside and take two nuts off of the studs that hold the latch in, and these are the two studs, these two. So we gotta take it out, take the nuts off, and then pull the latch off, and then put the latch back in, the new one, and then tighten the nuts into them, and that should finish. That should be the replacement on this. So now we have removed both of the nuts from the studs of the handle. So now we can pull the handle out, and that will give us the place to put the new one in. So let's do that. Now we just gotta work the latch out. And we just work it out. So see, the shape is the same latch, but just new. This one broke from this leg or from this side. So we're replacing it because each side has to push inside there to open. This side opens the driver's side, and this side opens the passenger side. So if one leg is broken, one latch is not going to open. So both of them have to pull at the same time to open on this tailgate. So we just put it in, make sure everything goes through, line up the studs, and push it in. So once we have our latch line up and we're pushing the frame in, we drop our mechanism that goes to the doors, to the sides. We drop it in, we line it up with the latch, and we push the studs in. So now we just put the nuts in. This is what I meant when the two legs have to pull. The handle has to pull on both sides. There's one leg here, and there's another leg here of the handle that pushes into this mechanism to open either side, and both of them have to be pulled at the same time. So that's why if one side is broken, the other side will react, but one side won't push into the lever to open like that. So that's why we're replacing it. The tools we used to take this handle off of this tailgate on the 2001 Ranger was a T30 socket or wrench, and we use a 1/2 inch socket and a 10 millimeter for the 2 bolts in the handle. Maybe somebody already had messed with it, so they put a different bolt, or I don't know if it's the original size. So that's what the tools we use. There's not much that needs to be done to the tailgate except for opening, dropping it, taking the cover off, taking the 2 nuts off the handle, pull the handle off, put the new handle in, tighten it, and put the cover back in with those T30 bolts. They're screws, but they're T30 socket. There's 8 of them, and that's a easy replacement for a Ranger 2001 Ranger tailgate handle replacement. Okay, folks, we'll see you soon.